Hello everyone, this is Thasni Asharaf from Computer Science and Designing Department from SMS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the topic called as CRISP-DM methodology. So what is CRISP-DM? So we have a framework where once we got the requirement, the business issue understanding, data preparation, analysis modeling, validation, presentation, or visualization. So now how it works, how increase the methodology. So the business understanding, from the business understanding, once they got the requirement, they will get the data what to need to be done. And once the data is understandable, and then they'll start preparing the data preparation. Once the data is prepared, they'll start for the modeling, so which is a prototype, and then they will be sending for the evaluation. Then once the evaluation is done, then it will go for a deployment. And if by chance if there is any mistakes or anything if doesn't work in the evaluation part, again it will go to the business understanding. Again it will go in a reverse order, again with the modeling, with the data they'll check on the data preparation something has missed, and then again they will be going check the thoroughly on the data understanding. Again once if there is any mistakes out there, then they will go for a business understanding. This is how it works for the data methodology. So cross-industry standard process for data mining, which is also known as CRISP-DM, is a six-step method, which like the KDD process uses a non-rigid sequential framework. Despite of the six phases, CRISP-DM is seen as the perpetual process used throughout the life of a company in successive iterations. So the business main understanding is this involves the understanding of the business domain, being able to define the problem from the business domain perspective, and finally being able to translate such business problem into a data analytics problem. What is data understanding? This involves a collection of necessary data and their initial visualization or summarization in order to obtain the first insight, particularly but not exclusively about data quality problems such as missing data or outliers. Next is comes to the data preparation. This involves the preparing the data set for the modeling tool and includes data transformation, feature construction, outlier removal, missing data fulfillment, and incomplete instances. These are all will be carried out in the data preparation model. Next is the modeling. Modeling, which is something, typically there are several methods that can be used to solve the same problem in analytics, often with a specific data requirement. This implies that there may be a need for additional data preparation tasks that are method specific. In such case, it is necessary to go back to the previous step. The modeling phase also includes tuning the hyperparameters for each of the chosen method. Next is evaluation. Evaluation is nothing but solving the problem from the data analytics point of view is not the end of the process. It is now necessary to understand how it is used is meaningful from the business perspective, and in other words, the obtained solution answers to the business requirement. And next is the deployment. The integration of data analytics in the solution in the business process is the main purpose of the sprint. Typically, it implies the integration of the obtained solution into a decision support tool, website maintenance process, reporting process, or elsewhere. The main part here plays is the integration of data analytics solution in the business process. And once it will not, it will go for a live or in the post in we can say it is a deployment or the post production. It will be handled by the live users. Once the live users are done with them, then it will be maintained under the maintenance support. If it will once the evaluation process is not done, again it will go with they will be rechecking the modeling, and they will be rechecking the data preparation part. If everything is fine with the data preparation, they will send again with the data business user requirement, and whatever is done, and then will go again the starting phase. It will start and it will be coming back. So we have the assessment called as to create your own CRISP DM method approach. Try for it. Thank you.